Welcome to the Sibe Onboarding videos. And first off, let's go through making an account. Here I'm going to be, you see on the Sibe website, we've got try for free. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And here I'm going to make a new email address, continue. This is just like signing up for any website. Type in a new password here. Of course, agree and sign up. That's it. And from here, you get your workspace. You can see it's preparing your workspace. Once the workspace is prepared, you're going to have to answer a few questions of this survey, which helps us set up your vault exactly the way it'll work best for you. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to press pause and I'll be right back. I've gone ahead and answered those questions. I'm going to hit start to get started using Sibe. And in here, now it's going to walk you through just getting an introduction to our vault, which includes installing the add-in. I'm going to take care of that in a future onboarding video. But as you work through this, you'll see it'll have you install by the add-in, import by the add-in, and view files in the dashboard, and check out a file, just to have you do all those steps and walk you through it. Thank you for choosing Sibe, and look for other onboarding videos.